Hey guys, it's Dr. Ivy Branin here of Simplicity Health Associates. I am in Puerto Rico right now with my family enjoying a fun beach holiday. And I want to share with you because sometimes people wonder what do I use when I'm traveling, specifically with my son. So my son is 21 months, almost 22 months, and how I keep him happy and healthy when we travel. All the products that I'm going to be recommending, first of all, I use for myself, but you can easily find them in all the links will be included in the description of this video. So first, I want to talk about nutrition. So a couple of things that I always make sure to bring. Of course, you can usually find things in stores, but just, when you have a really hungry baby, it's important that you have healthy things on hand. So from Justin's, I really like their single serving or their almond butters and peanut butters. They're really great for mixing in with his breakfast cereal, or I mix a lot of it with cooked vegetable, and that helps him or entices him more to eat it. I also like Larabar. So these are actually cashew. One of the things he did test slightly high as a cashew allergen, and with the advice of our allergist, we're giving him a little bit of cashew. So this is a way that I can give him some cashew. Of course, if your child has a food allergy, you definitely want to consult with your pediatrician or allergist on appropriate ways of introducing allergens. Now, this is a greens powder. This is actually Greens First. I like Greens First because it's one of the only green powders that is just greens. It doesn't have any added vitamins or minerals. So at home, I typically will blend a little bit of spinach or kale or broccoli into his non-dairy milk. But of course, that might not be available to us while we're traveling. So just adding a little bit of greens powder, ensuring that he is getting his vegetables. The milk that we use, so I've talked a lot about Ripple milk. So I like Ripple milk for him because it's very high in protein and calcium. And our son does have a milk allergy. So this is a really good milk for him. And again, these serving sizes, I don't love all the packaging, but for travel, I make the exception. For additional protein, specifically for lunch, I really like by Wild Planet. They actually have these snack size skipjack tuna. So skipjack is one of the lowest in toxins, so that's really important, and it's a great source of protein. And I like that it's the single size. I also like the fact that it's in the BPA-free tin, and this is a great choice for our son. Other nutrients, so I like the Whole Foods brand pouches. Again, I'm not crazy about plastics, but again, for travel, these are great, and they always have a little bit of vegetables. This one is mango, apple, banana, avocado, and kale, so he's getting some veggies. Oatmeal packs are also really great to bring with him. And then lastly, for food, so this is actually not in the right package, so I always like to reuse packages as much as possible. I really like Purely O's by Cascade Farms, as far as a kind of a Cheerio cereal. It's one of the only ones that does not have really anything added, no sugar, and I really like that for his breakfast. Now for utensils and things, for spoons, I really like Avanci. They're silicone, bamboo, or wood, we also like using these forks by Nook. Again, I want to make sure that he's not getting so much plastic, so anything that's metal or silicone or wood is always preferable. These straws are great. So these are by Clean Canteen. He also has a sippy cup by them, but this I got a whole bunch of these straws and they're great. So whatever situation you're in, you can always make sure that your child can easily have a drink. Though these are the cups that we use. So we use these metal cups. Our son actually has never really drank from like a proper sippy cup. He's really mastered the cup from the very beginning. So these are the cups that we use. We have a whole bunch of them. If we lose one during travel, not a big deal. Lunch box. So I like lunch box. Again, it's metal, no plastic so I don't have to worry about any toxins. This one in particular, what I like, it has the divider, so you can put a couple of different things. So he loves tofu. There's some tofu. I have some mashed cauliflower with a little bit of peanut butter. I know it sounds weird, but he really likes that. And then other couple things. So I also like bringing just one of these smaller mason jars. So one, it really helps with shaking up the greens powder into the milk for his breakfast. And then lastly, on the food and food serving front, I love the Lalo, or well, I think you said Lalo, bibs. So these are great. They're very easy to clean. Also, it catches the food, so you're not doing a lot of waste. So that's the food and food preparation. Now I want to talk about some of the things I do for fish. So I really like for sunscreen, think baby. So this is non-toxic, it's mineral-based, really great coverage. I really like this sunscreen for him. And then for beach or bathing suits, I really like these. This is by Alva Baby, and these are basically beach or swimmer diapers. At home, we almost exclusively use cloth diapers when we travel. We often use diaper, that's D-Y-P-E-R, as a disposable option that's less harmful to the environment. So those are all the products that I use and bring with us when we travel. All the products you can find easily through the links of the description of this video. Plus also, we have, if you have not yet set up an account with our Fullscript. So Fullscript is where you can get really high quality supplements. If you set up an account with us, and again, you can just find that link in the description of this video. That's actually where you can get the greens powder that I recommended. You'll actually save 10% off your first order. So it's a great way to save on really high quality supplements. Again, this is Dr. Ivy, Naturopathic Doctor of Simplicity Health Associates. Looking forward to seeing you next time.